Naramdaman mo na ba yung tipo na you know you are meant for more? You know you are capable for more. You know you can be more powerful, more confident. You know you can contribute more to other people. You know you have great ideas. You know you can live abundantly. However, you just can't get there. Nakaramdam ka na ng ganun? Well, today I will be sharing with you 3 of the possible reasons kung bakit nahihirapan tayong move forward from where we are to where we want to be, or from who we are to who we want to become. So the first possible reason is this. There are internal conversations inside our mind that say, baka kung anong isipin nila tungkol sa akin. Especially if you have like group of friends or being surrounded by people na hindi ganun yung pagkakakilala nila sa'yo. And then you're gonna change yourself all of a sudden. So that's one of the fears or common fears of people, thinking about what other people will say about them. And it stops them from doing whatever it is that they want to do. The second possible reason is this. There are what ifs inside our mind. What if hindi siya mag-work? What if hindi ako mag-succeed? What if magkamali ako at maraming tao ang maapektuhan sa pagkakamali ko? What ifs? The third possible reason is this. Your environment is non-supportive to your growth. Jim Rohn said this, you are the average of 5 people you associate yourself with. So for example, you are associating yourself on a daily basis with growth-minded people. So what will you expect about your mindset? You will be looking for more growth, right? And on the other hand, if you are being surrounded by like victim-minded people, I'm not saying that they are victim, but they have this victim mentality. So what will you expect about yourself? So you know exactly if your environment is supportive or non-supportive to your growth. So if this video resonates well with you and you want more, just let me know in the comment section, or you can send me direct message so I would know how I can support you. Thank you and God bless.